Okay, boys and girls, we're going to learn about a new artist now, and her name is Georgia O'Keeffe. She's an American artist, and she loves painting the idea of nature. So here's one of her paintings that shows a flower, and another painting that shows another flower. So she loves to paint flowers and trees and landscapes. That means pictures that are outside. And she loves the idea of mixing cool colors like purples, blues, and greens with her paint. And she loves mixing warm colors together like red, oranges, and yellows. So we're going to get some inspiration from Georgia O'Keeffe today to create our own flowers using cool colors and warm colors. And we're going to use something called overlap. So first, let's start with our white paper, and we're going to write our name on the back. I want you to find anywhere in sort of the middle of your paper and put a dot first. This is where all the petals of our flower are going to come out of. This is the center of our flower, kind of like the center of my flower right here. So today we have these little cardboard petals that we're going to trace. I'm going to start with my petal right in the middle of the dot, and I'm going to hold with one finger and trace with my marker with the other hand. And I have my first petal. Now I'm going to keep going out from there until I have kind of covered my middle space here with many petals. So I'll place it on the dot again and trace all the way around the sides and move it over, place it on the dot again, trace all the outsides. And I'll keep doing this until I have about 5 petals in the middle. And one more. Okay. Now I've kind of run out of space here in my dot, so what I need to do next is something called overlap. Overlap means I'm going to draw some petals that look like they're behind these first petals. So watch how I do this. I'm just going to take my marker now, start at one petal, go, 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 curve, and stop at the next petal. Now I'll go to this area right here, this big section, go, 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 and stop at this petal. Now this area right here, go, 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 stop. This area right here, go, 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 stop. And one more area, one, go, 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 stop when I get to the petal. Okay, now notice how my flower is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Now I'm going to keep overlapping my petals. If I want to change out my petals, like sometimes Georgia O'Keeffe doesn't have really rounded petals, she has kind of curvy petals or petals that have some angles and sides. So I can do another curvy petal and overlap, or I can get kind of funky and play with the shape of the petal. So just some curvy lines that go, 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 and stop when they get to a new petal, and go, 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 and stop, and go, 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 and stop. So I'm just going to keep building my flower bigger and bigger and bigger until I almost touch the sides. So I think I need a few more petals, maybe some rounded ones. Go, 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 stop. Go, 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 stop. Go, 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 stop. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I think I filled my space of my paper pretty well. Now, the fun part. We're going to add some color with our oil pastels. So you're going to either choose warm colors for your flower or cool colors for your flower. So if you're choosing warm colors for your flower, we know that the warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. So I'll find red, orange, and yellow oil pastels from my oil pastel bin. And remember, we used oil pastels in our last project. They're kind of like paint. They're really, really slick, kind of like crayons mixed with paint. So I'll use my oil pastel colors to fill in each of my petals. Now watch how I fill in my petals. We're going to do some blending today, kind of like paint. So I'll start with one petal and press really hard and blend that color into my paper. And then I'll switch to another warm color, maybe orange. And I'll blend that orange right into the red so it kind of mixes together with the red. Right here it's kind of mixing together. Now I'll go with my orange, or my yellow, and mix, 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 mix the yellow right into the orange. Look how beautiful that looks when the yellow mixes with the orange and it all kind of blends together from one color to the next. I love how oil pastels blend. Okay, now I'm going to keep doing this for the rest of my petals. Maybe I'll start with yellow this time. Yellow, press, 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 press. Now maybe some orange. Blend, 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 blend the yellow. I'm really trying to make sure I cover up all the white spaces of my paper. Pressing really hard and blending, blending, blending. Okay, great. So I'm going to keep doing this until I have many petals that are all blended together with many colors. Now, if you want to get really fancy, you can make some warm color petals and some cool color petals. So remember, the cool colors are blue, purple, and green. So maybe I want to make one of these petals a cool color petal. I can start with blue, press, 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 and then blend it into the purple. And then maybe blend the purple into the green. Ooh, I love how this is looking. All right. Now, the only rule, though, is that you cannot blend the cool colors with the warm colors. They don't mix very well together. So only cool colors get blended together, and only warm colors get blended together. Okay? Now, let's pretend I finished all of my petals. What am I going to do for this background space around my flower? Well, I'm going to pick any color, and I'm going to color in the background space. So I actually think I'm going to color in the background space black. So I'm going to take my black oil pastel and try and cover up all this background space around my petals. So just going around the petals nice and neat and covering up all the spaces around the whole flower. Okay, all the space around the flower. All right, so when I'm finished, it should look something like this. Every white space is covered up, overlapping petals, beautiful flower. Okay.